Good morning to all. Now, here I am Vaishali Rajput, your physics teacher. Dear student, in our previous video, we had discussed about the basic units of measurement. Okay. Now, in this video, we deeply read about the basic units of measurement. Okay. So, first is a how many basic units of measurement. So, see. Total 4 basic units of measurement is there. First is length, second is mass, then time, and the fourth is temperature. And what is the meaning of basic physical quantities? So the meaning of basic physical quantity is a quantity that can be measured is called a physical quantity, and we use in our daily life to measure the things. Okay. Now, in 1960, the scientists all over the world accepted a set of units for measuring the basic physical quantity: length, mass, time, and temperature. This set of unit is called the Standard International Unit. In short form, we can say SI unit. Okay. Now, we discuss about the units and symbols of SI units. Okay. See, here first quantity is length. So in our previous video we already discussed, but now again length. The SI unit of length is meter, and the symbol of length is small m. Next one, mass. The quantity is mass, and the SI unit of mass is kilogram, and in short form the symbol we can write kg, small k and g. Third unit is quantity is time, and the unit of time is second, and we can write a symbol as s. Okay. Now the fourth unit is temperature, and the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, and we can write as a symbol capital K. But student, sometimes the size of SI unit to express a physical quantity is not of convenient size. It's either too small or too big. Then we use multiple of SI unit to express that physical quantity using prefix such as milli, centimeter, now milliliter, centimeter. So the submultiple or multiple is milli, centi, kilo. Okay. Kilo means kimi. We can write kimi na. So K for kilo, M for milli, and C for centi. This type of symbol is called the submultiples units, means we use as a prefix. Okay. Now we discuss about the convention while writing the SI unit. Okay. So first point is here, symbol used for units are always written in a small letter. Small letter means to say when we write the units, so we can write like a kilogram. Okay. Full form is kilogram, so we can write kg. Okay. First is K and then G. Same as the symbol is meter, so full form is write meter, and symbol we write is small m, not capital M. If we write meter, so we use symbol is small m, not a capital M. Remember? Then the second point is some units are named after the scientists in words such units are written in lower letter. Like example, the unit of current is ampere, and the name of scientist is last name of scientist is Ampere. So the unit of current is ampere. Okay, and we can write it ampere, not in ampere. This is right and this is wrong. Okay, now the third point is symbol for a unit named after a scientist is always written with a capital letter. For example, like Fahrenheit. So first letter of Fahrenheit is capital F. So we can write capital F, not a small f. Okay, capital F is right, small f is wrong. Same as like a Newton. So Newton spelling is Newton, Newton. This is Newton. So first letter is capital N. So we can write capital N, not a small n. Okay. When we use symbol name after a scientist, so we write always in a capital letter. Okay, remember. Then fourth point is the unit and its symbol are never written in plural form. Always it's written in a singular form. Okay. Then the fifth point is in words the unit is written in a small letter. A small letter means to say, if we write meter, so we write a small m. We write start from a small m, not a capital M. Okay. This pattern is wrong. This pattern is right. Now the sixth point, a space is left between the symbols of two units when they are used as a product. Means like unit is written Newton into second. Okay, so we can write the symbol of Newton is capital N and the second is S. Okay, so we can write capital N and S. Clear? Now the seventh point, negative power are used for compound units formed by dividing one unit by the other. Example like meter per second. Okay, so in short, meter per second. So in a negative power we can write meter second inverse. Okay, when we write in a negative power, so we can write it meter second inverse. This pattern is right. Okay, so these are the seventh point about writing the SI unit. Now move on measurement of length. So what is the meaning of length? The meaning of length is the distance between 2 points. Okay, 2 point means when a scale. So first end to second end, the length of the scale. And when we measure the breadth, depth, diameter, height, we actually measure the length. Okay. Now talking about the units of length. What is the unit of length? The unit of length is meter, and in short form we can write a small m. The SI unit of length is meter, and in symbol we can write a small m. And what is the definition? A meter was initially defined as the distance between 2 points on a rod of platinum alloy kept at 0 degree centigrade in the International Bureau of Weight and Measurement at Sèvres near Paris. Okay, this is the definition of the meter. Now we're talking about the simple multiple or submultiple of meter. It is not convenient to express long length in term of meter. They are expressed in kilometer like a kilometer. So in 1 kilometer, how many meter in 1 kilometer? So in 1 kilometer, 1000 meter is there. Okay. And in short form, we can write 1 km equal to 1000 m. And in power, like we write 10 the power 3 meter. Okay. Now about 1 centimeter and is 100th part of a meter. Yes. How many centimeter in 1 meter? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter equal to 1 upon 100 meter. This is the written performer. Okay. Now we're talking about next 1 millimeter is 1000 a part of meter. Yes, 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. 1000 millimeter, and short form we can write 2 times small m. Okay, and 1 millimeter equal to 1 upon 1000 meter. Okay student. Now these are the things about the measurement of length. Okay, and rest of the part we will discuss about in our next video. Okay, thank you.